in this assignment, you will be modifying the chat client application so that it displays both incoming and outgoing messages in two different formats. So for example, if I type in a message and click on the send button, the message that I send out will be displayed towards the right side of the screen, whereas an incoming message from the other party that I am communicating with will be displayed to the left side of the screen. So as you can realize, this involves using two different layouts for both outgoing messages and for incoming messages. Now we have provided you with a pre-configured project which contains the layouts predefined for you. You need to go in and fill in part of the code to enable the display of the two messages on either side. Once you download and import the project into Android Studio, you will notice that we have already filled in the code for the chat client application to simulate bidirectional communication. You don't need to modify anything in the chat client application. Much of it is very similar to what you have seen with the previous exercise. In addition, we have added two layouts here, the message.xml, which you have already seen being used in the simple chat client application. And we have added another layout called mymessage.xml, which is what you're going to use to display outgoing messages to the right side of the screen. So this involves going in and modifying the myArrayAdapter.java file such that depending on whether it's an outgoing or an incoming message, your display of the message in the list view will be different. So we have put in the skeleton code here and then identified the locations where you need to fill in the code in order to simulate the new behavior or the layout of the two kinds of messages on the screen.